Okay. Okay, position, reposition.
Sige.
At least 6 people were reported missing in the landslides and a search was underway. 3 other storms-related deaths were reported by the government in the southern provinces of Davao de Oro and Davao Oriental. Nearly 200 floods were reported in the different areas in central and southern provinces over the weekend, displacing about 30,000 families, some of which were moved to emergency shelters, officials said. Coast Guard, police, and firefighters rescued some villagers in flooded communities, including some who were trapped on their roofs. At least 20 storms and typhoons batter the Philippines each year, mostly during the rainy season that begins around June. Some storms have hit even during the scorching summer months in recent years.
Tadlunga lang.